and trained. I have been dragging today. I mean, not like work-wise, just energy-wise. I'm like done. So, was that you, Miss Benita? I think that is Miss Benita. But anyway, if I'm eating my lunch. You probably really can't see it, but it's so good. I made it last night so quick, like 10 minutes. Angel hair pasta with some butter garlic, and I added some tomatoes and onions, and it is oh so delicioso. But anyway, your girl is tired. We are officially moving tomorrow, supposedly, into our new office. So it looks a little crazy. Back here, there's nothing back here no more. Everything is empty. They gotta come and take my desk and stuff, and the rest of the stuff there. So yeah. That's another reason we kind of like dragging. They've been in and out making stuff. But yeah. So I thought I'd just check in. But I'm gonna finish eating and get back to work. And I'm gonna holler at y'all a little later. Happy Friday! It is moving day, first day. This is the PMs. We're working in my office, so come and check that out. This is my office, and nothing is set up, obviously, just yet. But I gotta go out and get some cute stuff to put in my office. They got my heater, I love it, my printer, both my computers, my laptop. And this is my supervisor's office. I told her that I'm gonna need her help to decorate because it's so cute, but we're side by side. But anywho, we're cleaning. We're literally, I have a whole dress on because I thought everything would be together. But no, we're sweeping, mopping, all that stuff. So we probably won't even get to calls and stuff today until probably like around 1. So I'm gonna get back to helping them. But just a quick little tour, and then I'll show y'all when it's like completed and I've decorated, added my own touches. But super excited. All a lockbox and usually stuff for different units. But yeah, so I'm excited. You can kind of see out there, this will be the entryway. So like for everyone to come, and then you can see my supervisor can see when they come in, and I will be the direct face because that office over there is mine, and they'll be putting in sliding windows for both of us. And yeah, so many more offices back there. Conference room. The ladies hard at work. So just a quick tour, and we'll talk to you all later. It's coming along, y'all. I'm straightening up. My computers are not hooked up just yet, but yeah, my stuff there. Nothing. My desk stuff. Phone. Candy jar. Getting it situated. Y'all, I have just left work. Left a little earlier. But, because the computers and stuff were down, so. And the phone lines, like I told you. So, I decided to come to the Dollar Tree and see if I can get some cute items for my desk and stuff. Maybe get a few snacks, but my main goal, oh praise God, I found my card because I could not find it. Thank goodness to my supervisor who brought me lunch, but ended up finding it in my car, so I'm grateful for that. But yeah, so I just came in here to get like some little trinkets and stuff, cute little, you know, things to put on my desk just to spruce it up a little. And then I'm gonna try to print out a couple pictures and put that on my desk as well. So yeah, that's what your girl's in here doing. But other than that, like, see, this is something that's cute. Something like that, the cross and count your blessings. Probably want to paint it, but yeah. So I'm gonna continue to look around and I will show y'all what I end up getting, if I end up getting anything. I might not, and just try again tomorrow elsewhere. So I'm gonna holla at y'all here in a few. Hey y'all. Let's see here. So I thought I would tap in for a quick second while I'm here at work. About to do some training. Excited for the leasing position that I'm doing and stepping into. So that's at 10:30. It is 10:18. So I should be doing that here soon, and we're gonna do that for about 2 hours. So I can learn how to do that. My supervisor is going on vacation for a week. Her son is graduating, so congrats to him. Graduating high school. But anyway, so just wanted to tap in, see how everybody is doing. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Today is Tuesday, and yeah, ready to get this day started. Now that I got my heat on, it is not that cold. I have a dress on because it's supposed to be warm today, but West Virginia weather. So anywho, I am going to holler at you all later. Okay, Miss Benita, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benita. Happy birthday to you.
Do you really think I can blow out these sparkles?
FYI, so I just got here to make note so you all can say and verify that I stopped by my folks' house and they was not here. I just got off work and I'm like, you know what? They stay over here near where I work, so come visit. But you see nobody is home. Ain't nobody on the back porch. None of that. So y'all witness to that. But anywho, then watch, soon as I'm leaving, they'll pull up. Knowing I text her, she gonna be upset. But I, Lord bless, make another trip today. I mean, not today, maybe tomorrow or this weekend. I will come over. And I gotta stop and see my girl Rita and my niecey Pooh, my little tyrant. But that's my baby. She gonna be blessed. Blessed angel, just like my baby girl, my goddaughter that I gotta see. But y'all, I'm gonna get off here because I'm tired. I need to go. Just took some time now. I got a headache. And yeah, gotta drive across the country again to get home. I'll holler at y'all then. Sometimes y'all, I just sit and I just realize how blessed I am and so thankful for the opportunities God has given me, for my health, for my blessings, for my new job opportunity, to the support of my family and friends, closest friends. You know who you are. Miss Nayoka, Danny Boy, Cuzzy Wuzzy, Tamara, Sissy, just all of you, Auntie Mom, Uncle Dad, I love y'all. Just know your girl is blessed, and Mommy, I hope to make you proud one day. Y'all, I am on my way to Rock the Mic. It is Saturday night, and they have this thing uptown where they bring like people who sing, who do poetry, stuff like that. So my best friend's already here, so she's waiting for me inside. She can't see my fit, but she got it for me. So I'm really thankful, and I'm super late. It started at 7:30. It is like 9:15, so we will see. But I'm gonna get back with y'all in a few. I don't know if I get to record inside or not, but I'll holler at y'all.
240, they hard, niggas eyes get loose. Mr. Buster will go round. Mr. I swing first when the shit go down. I'm Mr. Dynamite. I'm worth 30 like Mike. I'm Mr. E, I rock mics. I want to see y'all. let's shut that down and let's keep this thing on. I'm warmed up now. I was nervous. Now I'm about to talk my shit. So listen, hold up. Alright, hold up. Because I'm not going to be Mr. E, I'm going to be Xavier's son. Because I got my family in the house, right? I got my sister, I got you, my niece, my brother. So I just want to talk to y'all for a second, right?
Tell ya, as far as I can feel, there is all the love when giving you. So you don't have to worry at all. I'll sacrifice my time. I'll make sure you're satisfied. Your heart's free for you, I wanna give you all my love. That's all I wanna do. And every hour, baby. Don't you look no more. My love is yours. That's all I want to do. Every hour. My love is yours, baby.
What it is, yo? What's the? Can a sister just keep in touch? Just kidding. It is Saturday night, and we just got done with Rock the Mic, which was a really good time. So it was nice because there's never anything in Beckley to do, especially grown folks and children. But it was a nice event. Y'all need to come check it out. I think they do it once or twice a month. So come check out Rock the Mic, and it's uptown at Sir Walter's Tavern. Not certain when the next one is, but yeah, y'all gotta check it out. But that's all I got to say. Love y'all. Morning, y'all. It is Monday, and I just got here to work, but I'll probably be leaving soon because I don't feel good. And my supervisor told me that was fine. But I wanted to give y'all a tour of our new office. I'm actually in the bathroom, but yeah, so I'm about to give y'all a tour, and then I'm gonna close out this video. This is the downstairs kitchen, and obviously we're still working on that part. There's offices back there through that door, but I'm not gonna go back there because there's not too many. I'm gonna just open it so you can kind of see. I'm not gonna go all the way down the hall. But yeah, there's more offices and stuff. And now I'm going to show you my office. That's one side entry. Back up to where my office is. That's my office. These are the property manager's desk. There's a desk right there. Miss Benita's office is right there. And here is mine. And my supervisor is right there. So that is it. I'm going to get started, and we'll get started on this work. And I'll probably leave in an hour, and then I will close out this video. Alright, y'all, so I am home. I am tired. I just put on my new nightgown. Excited because I've had it since Christmas, and this is May, and I'm not yet to wear it. I don't know why, but it's a onesie, and it's super cute. You can't really see it, but yeah. Anyway, so I just left from seeing a friend from my old job. I went to my old job just to visit and talk to him and everything. Got something to eat, and we talked, and now I'm flustered because then he walked me outside of my car, and then we got talking again, and then it just started pouring down raining, and you know your girl just did her hair the day before yesterday. Legit. Today's Monday. I did it Saturday night, and the rain has swooshed. So it's a poof ball. I just put like some little rods or whatever you want to call it in my hair, just right here and right here, because the back is gonna be what it is. It's the back. I don't really care, but we're gonna see how that turned out in the morning. But anywho, so thank you all for watching this vlog. I know it wasn't nothing extreme or too exciting, but it's your girl Sherry Monique, and I thank you so much. Please comment any suggestions for videos you want to see, anything you need prayer for. Just know that I love you. I'm praying for you as Christ loves you, and I pray that you're praying for me as Christ loves me. And let's encourage each other and encourage someone on today. Let's be blessed and just be thankful for another day and for the opportunities that God has given us. And just know that I love each and every one of you that watch and support me and actually watch my videos. It's just something that I do enjoy doing. I'm a talker. As you see, this should have already been closed out. But anyway, so thank you for your support, for your love. Know I love each and every single one of you. And don't forget to like, thumbs up, comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you.